Welcome back to Fuji Guy's channel. My name is Francis. So in this series of videos, we're going to take a look on how to use certain features of the X-T4. So if you're interested, keep on watching. The X-T4 features a quick menu that can be customized in many different ways. But first of all, let's take a look at how to access it. So from the back of the camera, we have the Q button right here. And once you click on it, we can see we have different settings here. We can use the touchscreen to navigate as well, to select, or we can use the joystick or the command dial. So this is how I got it set up now, but let's take a look on how we can customize it. So we're going to go into the menu and then to the wrench icon, and then we're going to go to button and dial setting. And then we see we have here two different options. We have a quick menu for photos and a quick menu for video. Now, this is going to be to set how many slots we want. So we could have 4 up to 16 slots. Let's just do it simple for now and do it with 4 slots, and it would look just like so. And then I can now customize which settings I want there. So I'm just going to grab a couple quickly. So manual focus assist. I can change to shutter type here, and then let's have the AF mode. Now if I go out and then I click on the quick menu, I can see I have my 4 icons, and then I can click on them to select the different options. And then the last setting would be to choose whether we want it to be transparent or black. So let's have a look how to set it up. So we're just going to go into the wrench icon again. This time we're going to go to screen setup. And then if we go down to the last page, so again, we have it for photos and videos. So I can choose transparent for photos, and then for video, let's say we want it black. So now if I click on the Q menu, you can see I have it here with my 4 icons, but it is transparent. And now if I switch to movie mode, you can see that my Q menu is different. I have 16 slots and it's black, and the settings are different. So this is how you can customize your Q menu on the X-T4.